Let's talk about our second type of DPR. Volume-based DPRs. These are perfect for activities that are quantity-driven, like excavation or piping in infra projects, data analytics tasks, and more. It's a preferred way of measurement as it gives you accurate projections based on your progress. The system calculates how many more days an activity will take to complete, driven by moving average settings and progress. This remaining duration rolls up at the subtask and task level, providing real projections for your high-level plan. Let's understand this with a scenario. If the moving average setting is 7 days and progress achieved in the last 7 days is around 210 running meters. The system calculates a daily progress of 30 running meters and gives a projection for this activity. Now, let's go through this process step by step for a hands-on experience in creating volume DPRs. DPRs can be assigned directly to tasks or subtasks by clicking the exclamation mark and selecting the volume-based DPR option. To create a quick framework, input the required number of activities and locations for your DPR, and select a generic dependency type for all activities. Choose from sequential, parallel, or constant lag. Hit create to create your DPR. For a quick overview, activities are the things you need to execute, like excavation, backfilling, and locations are the different work fronts available for this activity in a particular block. Add required activities and locations in the library, so we can use them in any DPR. Here, we can link cost, revenue, and material with the activity. And depending on the quantities, the system automatically calculates cash flow and material projections. Add required locations as well in the library. Now, simply select required activities. You can also quickly insert, delete, or rename activities to make specific changes. Change the dependency of any activity if needed, and enter the volume for each. Explore other detailing options as needed. Contractor. Define the contractor working on the activity. Add the contractor to the library. And select it in the drop-down. Score. Assign different weightages, which gradually helps you in accurate measurement of progress in an S-curve. Set managers for each activity. Resource. Link resource requirements to each activity. Add resource to the library. And use it for each cell as needed. Financials. Set cost or revenue rule for activities. A distributed rule distributes costs or revenue over the entire duration, while, on closure, considers the entire cost or revenue on completion of that activity. Optionally, link the data with specific departments or work areas. All these linkages and details help you obtain better aggregated information in reports and make more informed decisions. Alright, so we've completed activity level configuration. Now, let's move to location configuration by clicking Next. Define your quantity for each location. You can set different managers for each location. And lastly, you can set different weightages for different locations using the score field. Once all details are entered, click on Save DPR to preserve the changes, or Launch DPR to get the latest roll-up and schedule as per changes. This is how your volume DPR looks for update managers, where they can provide updates on the go. For insights into the schedule, click on Schedule Summary. Here you can view planned, suggested, or actual dates for activities. The Roll-up Summary provides a comprehensive view of resources, material, cost, and revenue details. Save templates of your DPR by clicking on the three dots icon. Enter the template name, click Save, and use this template while creating new DPRs. For more convenience, quickly copy these details to your other tasks. Select the destination task and hit the Copy button for quick configuration of DPRs. Use volume-based DPRs now to objectively measure and accelerate your team progress.